have a knife. Stop. That was weird. Don't do that. Parts or case? What you want? Parts or case first? Look how pretty. It's Sting. Ah. Case. Okay. Case in point. The case is the least of the surprises, I suppose, because I kind of do have a clear expectation, excuse me while I woman spread, of what's in here. It's my excavator, yes. Built like a road out there. Oh my god, it's so big! Okay. This. Gotta hold it with my legs. Oh. Sorry, my muscles are too strong. Oh no! I got this everywhere now. Oh! It's sticking to me already. Okay. I can do this without getting up. I don't think I can. Unless I just break off every piece. Dude, I don't even know if I can get this out. Hold on. I'm not even sure I can get it out of the box. There we are. Ta-da! Can you just look at the box instead? Because I can't get it out. Okay, so this is I didn't buy this. I've been talking about this for so long. I didn't buy this with my own money. These guys sent it to me. But I'm not paid to unbox it, but I also didn't pay for it. So it's sponsored, that's the word. Sponsored! What's happening outside? Nothing, just building my bunker. Am I yelling too loud? No, I can't. It's not coming out of the box. I'm cutting the box. Oh, but Miss would really like this box. But she has 2 boxes. Is Nim busy? Is he still live? It's Tuesday. He's not doing his show. This is so sad. Okay. It's tempered glass. I can't just break it out. But this is a 2-person job. Slide it out instead. Yeah. It's just the plastic's just falling. I got nothing to grip. God damn it. I've got nothing to like take. This is war. I can't get my hand in there. That's heavy. That's a big boy. Look at that. It's curved. Ooh, there's friends there. It's curved for your pleasure. There she is. That's a big boy, dude. There's so much room for activities. And these are fans on the side. See a lot of cable management stuff in here. A lot. Like you could really tuck them in back here. Oh, this is gonna look pretty as hell. My current case is sitting on the floor. I don't want this beauty on the floor. This deserves a spot up high. Pretty! But that's not it! There's many more things. Boobs! So I actually watched another streamer build inside this case. And there's so much room for activities! Look! It's like insane how much shit you can put in there. It's macabre! Where does it open? It opens here, so this comes off. And then that does not come off, I think. Oh no, this comes off! Oh, it comes off both sides. Slay. My current case only opens on one side, so this is great. Ta-da! I'm gonna put baby in the corner back here while I open the other stuff. Namely, this box. It's gonna fall? No. It looks crooked on camera, but it's not actually. Okay. So that was one box. And then they sent me another one. And this one just says parts. So this could be bubble wrap. My favorite. These are too big for a good box. Too big bubbles. You like my Lego? Thank you. My plan is I'm gonna move this Lego set. I'm gonna move it downstairs into the new bookcase, and I'm gonna buy lights for it. I'm gonna lit it from the inside. And it's gonna be beautiful. Ooh! Wait, this box is full of stuff! Yo, this box has more things than I expected. Ready? We'll start with a little one. Ooh! What am I even looking at? F120 RGB core! Oh man, I love a good RGB. Ah, you put it inside like that. Damn it. What does it do? It does pretty lights. Explain for non-PC people. It's a fan. It's a fan. But the fan has lights, and that makes it better. Clearly. Ta-da! And then 2 more flicky fan. 2 more of them. Right, because in the picture here they have 3 of them up like that. So I suppose that's the idea. I'm gonna do that too. Bam! And then there are some big ass boxes. Oosh. Oosh, oosh, ooh. Liquid cooler. I never had a liquid cooler before. Kraken Elite. Also comes with RGB, which that's how you know it's for gamers. This is sick. Hi high performance 360 milliliter liquid cooler with RGB core fans and customizable numbers, wide angle LCD display. Sick. This isn't how did you pay for it? I got all of this for free. This is a sponsor from the good people over at NZXT, except not upside down. How do I? I'm just gonna stack it all and make you guys increasingly more nervous. Playing Jenga over here. Eh? And then there's two more. I'll save what I think is the coolest for last, maybe? Yeah. This is a power supply, if I'm not mistaken. Yikes! A power supply! Yahoo! Because you gotta have power to run all your cool RGB lights. Now this is so heavy, I'm not gonna put it on top of this. This is too much. For the people telling me, I was like, oh, I want to buy new computer parts, I should buy a power supply. You guys were like, no, don't buy a power supply. You have a power supply. Yeah, but now I have two. And that means I can build two computers. Duh. 10-year warranty. Reliable and compatible. 80 plus gold certified, fully modular. Wow, wow, wow. The fan curve looks like this. So that's probably a good thing. Ta-da! This goes on the floor so we don't topple the Jenga. And then, last but not least, upside down. Yes. Bam! Is that motherboard? Look how pretty it is. I've seen this in a build and it's so sleek and just clean as fuck. And I really, I've never seen a motherboard like this before. I didn't know they came like this. And I'm glad that mine does. I've colored my GPU black. I could bedazzle it if I need to. Ta-da! So, integrated rear I/O shield and efficient layout for optimal setup. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I don't have that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Actually, that's gonna save me a lot of cables. Because my computer does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I'm gonna have a lot of cables. Just for that. Nice. Digital RGB lighting. Control through cam. I guess cam is short for something else. Convenient fan profiles within NZXT cam for 7 independent fan channels. Seamless cover with integrated heat spreader. I was wondering about that, if it was gonna overheat. They don't. I don't know. And then there's a bunch of numbers, and I'm not gonna read them out loud and embarrass myself. So. Chipset Intel. Eek! Expansion slots, storage. Nice. Bluetooth version 5.3, if that tells you anything, Smogren. I'm gonna just sit still and watch TikToks for 2 hours quietly. That's how. Hi, miss. There's a miss in here. She's come to investigate. 2 wireless antenna SMA connectors. Was that what you were asking about, Smogren? I've got antennas. Cool. go. 5 audio jacks? 5 audio jacks? I got one that I use. Okay, so we have antennas. I got 5 audio jacks. If anyone wants to come over to my place and plug in your audio jack cables for your big ass headsets, then we can have like a music party, I suppose. Hold on, she's gotta think about it. Oh, she's actually pretty fast. She's pretty fast today. There you go. She got that pouch. Now the next thing is, do we start buying parts for the remainder of this build right away? I feel like I might want to do that off stream, because I feel like I'm gonna get stressed because there's a lot of strong opinions. And I feel like we're not all gonna agree on all the things, and maybe you should just leave it to me for once. Where do I put this though? That's what I'm thinking about. I've been thinking about getting a different desk so that it'll be longer and wider, and then this can be on my desk to this side at the end of it all. It would make cable management a whole lot easier. It would look nicer. I wouldn't have to have it on my floor, because my case is sitting on the floor right now. I would prefer it not to, I believe, on account of all that cat hair and stuff. Are you figuring it out, miss? Yeah. Just gotta wash her toes. Put figurines and stuff in it in the case? I could put my Kirby in there. Remember Kirby? Remember how happy he is to be here? He's the cutest little Kirby ever. Blah! That's what he sounds like. He's scared. I also made the Pikachu. So I made these, by the way. Look. I have talents. I don't know why he's sad. I don't know if I glued the fucking mouth on upside down or what happened there, but something happened. And then this one. Oops. Yes! Look at that baby. Don't look at my face. Look at this. Stop looking at my face. Okay, he doesn't want to. But look. I think I'm gonna remove the big shelves from back here and put a skinnier one instead. So that'll be easier to light up, and also put little figurines instead. I don't want so much stuff in here, I think. I'm gonna rework my streaming room a little bit. It's been a year now, I've settled in, I know what I want and what I don't. And now that I have the best excuse ever to do some changes because of this amazing new case, this seems like a good time. Thank you, NZXT, for sending me this beautiful stuff. I can't wait to build a new computer. I need to buy the remainder of the parts that I need, and then we'll set a date, I suppose. And then I have to build the thing. That makes me nervous. I'll get a wider desk toss. I want a wider desk. Because I have more room this way that I can sit on, and that way we would get further away from the window, and that wouldn't like backlight me and mess up the camera settings. I've given it some thought. We can fix it. This room can be better adjusted. Okay, that was my rant. That was my unboxing. This is my excavator. That's my cat. Thank you for watching the unboxing show with Yabbe. Shall I take this off the cardboard box before it actually topples over? Thank you for watching the unboxing joke. Wow, Yowling Bot. Someone's being a little bitchy today. Use it and stream it. The excavator, right. I'm gonna get rid of all these boxes. And you guys are just gonna watch some clips while I clean all that. And I'll be right back with you. Bye bye.